So before this video gets started, if you're a gig worker and you want to make extra money, there's a new company called Fetti that's the future of jobs. All you have to do is enter your email below, answer a couple of questions, and within 2 minutes, they're gonna send you a list of high-paying jobs that you can do from anywhere in the country. And who knows, you could actually make a ton of money. And they're actually looking for gig workers specifically. So sign up, enter your email, link below, and let's get started with the video. All right, so the next video topic is somebody on Lyft who made $2,800 in a week. Ronnie, is this Ronnie SPE? This is. Oh, hey, Ronnie SPE. I was like, wait.
That's funny.
He's in our Facebook group? Wait, he's in our Facebook group this whole time.
And he's like active on it too. That's funny.
Yeah, well, it's from a month ago, but still. Oh. Damn! He's not lying in his videos, guys.
Yeah, but he only drove 47 hours. That's not.
That's over $50 an hour. How does he do it?
Well, he lives.
Call him up. Ronnie, Ronnie, how you doing this, bro? Give us the secrets. Bro, we got 200,000 subscribers on YouTube, but we still don't even know how to make $2K a week. Bro, we're novices compared to you. That guaranteed made a big difference. Oh, somebody called him out because there was an earnings guarantee.
Oh.
Exposed.
Interesting. So, okay. Fake. Someone said it's fake. Don't fake anything. I'm legit.
Boom, shakalaka.
Yeah,
he's legit.
He's legit, guys.
Yo,
Someone said that's 64 an hour. What area? This is in the Bay Area.
Don't leak his...
Well, no, but he says it all the time on his YouTube channel.
All right, we're going to give you a shout out, Ronnie SPE Tv. Because...
he's almost at 10K subscribers.
Go get him to 10K 6K. Go get him to 7,000 subscribers. Yeah, his whole page, guys, is about making 2K a week. So, yeah, he literally wears a t-shirt that says 2 racks a week. Dude is buffer than me, for sure. He can probably bench press 3 times my body weight. But yeah, secrets to making 2K a week. I will go check this guy out, guys. Ronnie, you just earned yourself a shout out on the Rideshare Hub. Get him to 10K.
Yeah.
So decide to make $2,800 a week. Oh yeah, somebody even shared his video. Somebody said bragger. Rolf Hammond. Rolf Hammond's a hater.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, he sounds like a hater.
Nice mustache though, for sure. Still. This looks like the guys that I've watched on YouTube about making 2K a week is the same person. It's not fake because he has shown consistency of what he's earning. Just because you don't make that in your market doesn't mean it's not possible. Punctuation, Susie. Susie, use a comma for crying out loud. I can't even take a deep breath while I'm reading that. Makes me wonder if they pay more in the Bay Area. Period. I am in Sacramento. Period. I have not come close to 2,000, but I haven't done no 10
hours.
I'm losing brain cells trying to read these comments.
Interesting.
But yeah, go check out Ronnie SPE TV. That's how you do it, guys.
It's not Ronnie SPE TV.
No, it's Ronnie SPE. Ronnie SPE TV. Ronnie SPE TV, guys. Come on. 2 racks a week. Go check him out. Go subscribe to his show. Damn, only 14 topics. We got to end it with 15. Let's see.
Okay.
Oh, what was the one about something in UK? What was that one?
Oh, 50%.
Yeah, what was that one?
It's the bottom one.
Oh, here we go. This is a good one. We'll end on this one, guys, okay? Because I know you guys are getting tired. But quick reminder before we end the video that I did pin the link to Fetti. If you sign up for Fetti, they will help pair you with jobs that match your skill set from companies that match your values. And it's totally free anywhere in the country. You can get started in like 2 minutes. Just enter your email below, answer a few questions. And you can actually work remotely too. So do you like working remotely?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. Like, I feel like it's just the new wave, especially with technology. It's like you don't really need to go into an office anymore.
Yeah, exactly.
So link below for Fetti. Use our link